Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Flavor of the Day. Today we're making potato salad. It doesn't get much easier than this one. It's my mother-in-law's recipe. Potatoes, diced onions, salt, pepper, mayo, vinegar. As much or as little of those flavorings as you choose, and as many potatoes as you think you need to serve your guests. Doesn't get much easier than that. Let's gather everything together and let's make some potato salad. Come on. Okay, I diced, this is about half of a medium onion, I'd say. And I dice it up. It's not crazy fine, but there's not big giant chunks. The potatoes, as you can see, and I use Yukon Golds, and this is the dice on them. Potatoes, you have to watch. In a matter of a minute or two, you can go from a nice cooked potato to mush mash, and you'll have mashed potato salad, and nobody likes that. So let's just put the onion in there, and we do salt and pepper to taste. And remember, you always start out less and then build on it if you need more. And I'm using kosher salt, a nice handful. Potatoes always seem to soak up salt. And then here is my mayo, and it's about a half a cup, and several jiggers of, I'm using red wine vinegar. You can use whatever vinegar you like. White vinegar, rice wine vinegar, red vinegar. If you use apple cider vinegar, be prepared that it's going to have a sweet hit to it. But like I said, it's to your taste likes and dislikes. Now, get that all in there. Hush, hush, Vi. They know Papa's outside, and so she's saying, how about me? All right. Give this a spin. And it looks like it might be okay with what I added. I gotta get it all out. I hate to leave anything behind. Yeah, that looks really good. And I don't put this in the fridge till after, if there's anything left. Believe it or not, my kids, if it's not warm, they prefer it room temperature. And I kid you not. Okay, let me take one. Well, there you go. It is perfectly perfect. The easiest potato salad you'll ever make in your life. What do you think of that? Not too shabby. Alrighty, friends, thanks for visiting. If you're new here, welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing. Like I said, an easy peasy salad. Summer's coming. You'll enjoy it. Until next time, go create something wonderful. Bye-bye now.